Today's cravings, siomai. Sa blender, pinagsama-sama lang yung carrots, onion, and garlic. Tapos, 1 egg. Dapat, food processor yan eh. Pero unavailable. So as a Pinoy, dapat daw resilient. Nag-add kami ng chopped shiitake mushroom and wood ear mushroom. Sa bowl, combine pork giniling, grated singkamas, chopped mushrooms, onion leeks, chopped shrimp, and yung blender natin earlier. Salt and pepper to taste. Sabi ni Insan, mekos-mekos na daw. And tada! Pwede na i-wrap. Ito na yung sign na huwag ka nang gumawa ng siomai, bumili ka na lang. Nakakapagod.